Hi guys, how you doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos. Well, first of all, happy Holy Thursday. And if you're not watching me today, Thursday, well, anyway, happy Easter for everybody. And welcome to my Forsaken review. Well, in this review, I'm going to be showing you what's Forsaken all about. I'm also going to show you the huge bonus bundle I have for you today. They're really big. And I'm also going to show you how does the dashboard looks like inside Forsaken Traffic, okay? So in case you have any doubts before you make the decision to purchase, you can see it over here, okay? Well, in a nutshell, Forsaken Traffic was a product that launched last year and did pretty good. Seems like people like it a lot. And this is the relaunch with new content on it, okay? And it is basically a video course that is going to show you how to rank #1 on Google, on any Google page for anything you want. Let's say for an affiliate marketing page, for an e-commerce, for CPA, for a blog, for whatever you want, okay? Well, and that's all. It's a very complete course that's going to show you how to rank #1 in Google with proven techniques, okay? Alright guys, as always, if you would like to get Forsaken Traffic and all the bonuses that I have included for you, you have to click on the link that I put down below in my description and also on a fixed comment. And also guys, as always, and for all of you that don't know, if you want to skip any part of this video, you just hover here on any part of the timeline and it's going to show you the subtitle and it's going to take you directly to that part of the video. Let's say the demo part or the bonuses page, anything, okay? Well, with that said, I would like to show you my bonuses. Alright guys, so here we're inside my Forsaken Traffic bonus page. As you can see, you have my name here in my banner, my Digital Chaos logo as always, and my WhatsApp bubble where you can get in touch with me if in case you have any questions directly to my mobile, okay? So let's scroll quickly down below and okay, here we go. At the beginning, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about what's Forsaken Traffic, but the main I have already told you. So let's go over to the prices and upsells. The front end costs $12.95, but during the relaunch period, you can get it for $8.95, okay? I forgot to put the sign here. I'm gonna put the sign now. Okay, with this, you will learn how to rank on page 1 of Google for anything you want for free. This can be used for CPA offers, affiliate marketing, e-com stores, local business, dropshipping, bloggers, whatever you want. With the upgrade #1, which is the Pro version that costs $37, you will find out how to tap on 20 times more traffic in the same amount of time. And 20 times more profit, same as 20 times more profit, right? With the upgrade 2, which is called Local Takeover and costs $67, but you also have a downsell for $37. Remember guys, downsells doesn't have all the same things as the upsells, okay? But still, anyway, here you will find out how to use this strategy to help local business rank in their website with only 10 minutes of work. And you can sell this service easily up to $500 per month per client, okay? So this is the best way to monetize Forsaken Traffic. The upgrade #3 is called Done For You Super Funnel at $97 and downsell $47. With this, you will be able to import a Done For You Super Funnel personally made by them to build your email list and earn commissions. Plus, you get instant approval to sell Forsaken Traffic in case this is something you're interested in. With the upgrade 4, which is the license rights, cost $97 again and downsell for $47. This will allow you to sell Forsaken Traffic as your own and earn 100% commissions throughout the whole funnel. Finally, we get to the upsell #5, which is the income overhaul for $147 and downsell $97. With this, you get 100% license to all the past products of these creators. They are the Superstar Cash Rain, Affiliate Magician, Siphon, Dark Knight Commissions, The Kingdom Builder, and High Ticket Hero. And you will be able to make 100% commission through the entire funnel for all these 6 products, okay? Okay, some key benefits of Forsaken Traffic. You will learn how to rank #1 in Google and get free traffic from Google. It's ideal for newbies and advanced marketers. You don't need no prior experience and you can generate unlimited free traffic to whatever you want. All this covered by a no questions asked 30-day money back guarantee, okay? So let's go now to the part everybody loves, which are the bonuses. So if you get Forsaken Traffic now, you will get all my exclusive bonuses below here. Okay, I put together these special bonuses to help you skyrocket your incomes with Forsaken Traffic. And just to let you know guys that just the bonus #1, I should have put just this one because this is huge. My bonus #1 is access to all Jonas products from 2020. And when I'm saying all, is all. So those are 4 products and you will get front end plus all the OTOs, which each of them has 4 OTOs. So this is a total of 20 bonuses, okay? Just to let you know, guys, when you buy through my link on any of these red buttons here, you get instant delivery bonuses. That means that your bonuses, you're gonna find them next to your purchase files on Warrior Plus. So next to your purchase file on Warrior Plus, you're gonna find the link, and this link is gonna take you to this page right here, a document where you will be able to access all your bonuses. So you can see here, the first product from Jono is less banks. Then we have Vanquish plus all the OTOs, Jam Commission Bot, and Gemini. And then you have the access to all the other bonuses, okay? So my bonus number 2 is a great method to make money online, and this is a course, okay? Then my bonus number 3 is called How to Build Your List Using Bing. Okay, as we're using Google for Forsaken Traffic, here you will learn also how to use Bing. And this is a video tutorial by Jono Armstrong. My bonus number 4 is access to Atomic, done for you. This is a product from Brendan Mays 2020. And finally, my bonus number 5, as always, for all of those of you that take action now, you will access all vendor bonuses and you will find them inside your members area. Alright guys, so those are all my bonuses. I hope you like them. Like I said before, if you want to get access to Forsaken Traffic and all my bonuses, click on any of these red buttons and you're going to be driven to the sales page. Alright guys, so those were my bonuses, a huge bonus bundle that I put together for you today. And now I would like to take you to the members area to show you how the dashboard looks like. Alright guys, so here we are inside the dashboard of Forsaken Traffic. Well, first of all, on the top here, you're going to find a menu where you can access any of the upgrades in case you didn't do so before. Then you can contact support here, you can log out and go back to your dashboard. Okay, so the main course is going to be on the menu on the left. Here you're going to find all the different sections, and within each section you're going to find different modules. Okay, for example, the first section has 2 modules, then you go to the second one, has 1 module. The main training has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 modules, and then you have the option to access the upgrades again. I wish I could show you more, but I can't. I can't put play on these videos right now, okay? Because for that you have to buy the product. But so this is, remember, this is a product that sold very well last year, over 1,000 units sold, and this is the relaunch with new content. So if you like Forsaken Traffic last year, you're gonna love this one. Alright guys, that was it. That's my review. I tried to keep it short, brief, and to the point. As always guys, if you have any questions or any comments, any doubts at all, just leave me a comment down below in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget that if you want to get Forsaken Traffic and all my bonuses, the only thing you need to do is click on the link that I'll put you down below in my description or in my fixed comment. Alright guys, thank you for staying all the way to the end with me. I wish you a beautiful and a lovely weekend, a great Eastern, and be safe, take care, and take it easy. I see you in the next one. Thank you. Thank you.